Right now, I'm going to show you a few meal ideas that's going to help to support your energy, help to maintain your curves, and that is waistline friendly. A cup of Greek yogurt with the Right now, I'm going to show you a few meal ideas that's going to help to support your energy, help to maintain your curves, and that is waistline friendly. So right now, when we wake up in the morning, we have a breakfast that's going to be nutritious based. These meals are more so general, and you can tweak it according to what you like to consume. Always go for pasture-raised eggs because the chickens are generally outside, they're free, they're eating the diet that they need to have to be more nutritious or healthy, to be more healthy. Eggs itself is going to be higher in nutrition, and that's what we're going to consume, and we're going to be healthier people or individuals. That's why it matters. If you are eating meats or seafood and things of that nature, that's why it matters what they eat. For me, I would go for 3 eggs. It's just, and how I prepare them, I'll put some salt, pepper, and hot sauce. And on the side, I tend to go for sprouted grain bread that's toasted, avocado on top of the toast. I'm gonna season this with veggie pepper, the eggs, and the Ezekiel toast with veggie pepper. I haven't used this to season my avocado toast, but this sounds amazing. It's a mix of celery, bell pepper, and regular pepper, onions, and a lot of other good stuff. You can find, I'll put it in the description below so you can take a look at what's in here. So let's season this. Let's put some veggie pepper on the eggs, some on the avocado toast, the salt, paprika, and some hot sauce. This is beneficial for everyone, men and women, children, elderly, whoever you are. This is beneficial for you. Again, this meal is dependent on what your preference is. So what your dietary needs may be, you can, again, customize it accordingly. So this is pretty much a general idea. I'm going to share with you some of the supplements that I take on a daily basis. I have my postnatal omega-3s here. I have the 𝗧𝗨𝗥𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗜. This is a blend of bladderwrack, burdock root, and sea moss. And I also have my matcha turmeric and black pepper here. We recently had a scare with the environment and the fires and things of that nature. One of the plus sides to taking the blend of 𝗧𝗨𝗥𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗜, the bladderwrack and the burdock root helps to remove toxins that are in the environment. Every day we walking around, we don't realize that we're taking in those toxins. So one of the benefits of this is you're making sure that you have your bladderwrack, the burdock root helps to take care of that. So that's one of my go-tos. If I'm not gonna have it in the pill form, I can either have it, you know, prepared regularly, or I can take my time preparing the burdock root. And these supplements that I take are excellent for my hair, my skin, my libido, my energy level. The matcha is a natural fat burner, so this is something that I take on a daily basis. And if you like these items, the link is going to be in the description for you below. You guys caught me mid-set, about to finish up these reps. I'm exhausted at this point, but I gotta push through. So let's go for 5. Nope. My hand almost locked out on that last set, so I'm just gonna remove some weight. My hammy said, and I don't want to push through because that may increase the risk of injury, the risk for injury. So let's take some of that weight off. I don't have nothing to prove. I was afraid of this. Okay, there we go. Honestly, I don't have the energy, but I made a goal to finish my workout, and that's what I came here to do. So dumbbell rows. Next meal is going to be ground beef. I always go for a grass-fed, grass-finished beef. The reason why, again, is higher nutritional profile. I'm just going to use the remaining of the beef that I had earlier for burgers, and I'm just going to use that. If you are on a cut, leaner beef would be more so recommended if you're trying to lean out. But right now I'm not trying to lean out, so therefore I'm definitely going to make sure that I eat what I like, and this is the 85-15. Most important thing is the nutritional profile. What you eat and what you consume have to be high in nutrition in order for your body to benefit from it. And I don't want to see anybody demonizing one thing, saying that fruits and vegetables are more superior over meats and things of that nature, because the quality really does matter. Where you get your quality of fruits from, the quality of meats from, and how they're being treated throughout the process is what really matters and what counts the most. For some micronutrition, just gonna add some purple onions on top. And just in case you guys missed it, the ground beef was already pre-seasoned and I mixed it all into the ground beef. I'm gonna show you a visual of what it would look like if you are trying to lean. Now again, this is going to be what I consume. You can do ground turkey, you can do ground chicken, but this is what I'm gonna have today. Right now, this is what a half a cup of rice look like. This is what I would do if I'm trying to lean out. If I need to maintain or stay within my weight goal, I'm going to add another half cup, and that would be a full cup of rice. Now I know my Caribbean people, this is not what our plate looks like. And what our plate typically looks like, you know, that's just a little bit too much rice. If you feel like you're hungry, what you need is to add more protein to help to satiate you. So right now, this is what my plate will look like. When I'm trying to maintain, you have your micronutrients from the vegetables, your macros, the carbs, you have your proteins, and the fats will be the 85-15. Another thing for my people who are trying to gain weight, what you would typically do, just add another half a cup of rice into your meal. That way you can increase the calories. Okay, the next meal or snack that you can have right now, this is Greek yogurt. I tend to go for plain Greek yogurt because the flavorful Greek yogurt tend to have multiple ingredients, especially the sugar content I'm not necessarily a fan of. I like to sweeten my Greek yogurt with either agave syrup or stevia leaf extract. I go for this one. I tend to go for the liquid stevia because it doesn't have the ethanol added to that. So right now, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna layer the Greek yogurt. You're gonna start off with a little, making this look a little bit messy. Okay, I'm gonna just add a little bit of bananas on top, and then I'm gonna add my agave syrup on top. I'm gonna also add peaches and strawberries to this as well. I like the way the fruity flavors taste with the Greek yogurt, and what I would sometimes do, I would add the Luminous Boost. I would add a scoop of Luminous Boost to the actual Greek yogurt mix and mix it all in. That way you don't always have to have it in your shakes. It's going to help with energy, it's going to help with your skin, hair, and nails. It has the acai, has the antioxidants to help to get rid of free radicals, which is also responsible for cancer and things of that nature. Greek yogurt is good for gut health, and it's also high in protein. So we're gonna add some frozen peaches, some strawberries, and then I'm gonna layer it again accordingly. Peaches, agave syrup, and then the strawberries will go on top. And that's typically a half a cup. Right now, that's a half a cup of Greek yogurt with the fruit. Yeah. While I'm at it, I'm just gonna add a scoop of Luminous Boost so I can get the extra nutrition. Mix it in. That's it. See? This is so good. Okay. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Tonight,